Hi guys, and welcome to my channel once again. It's so great to have you guys back. So today I'm going to be talking about how I grew out my daughter's hair using aloe vera and some other essential oils. If these are the contents you want to listen to, if this is something you want to hear, please stick around. If you're a new subscriber, please do well to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell just beside the subscribe button so that you can get notified each time I post a new video. And if you are an OG, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Stick around, the video is going to be on shortly. Thank you. Welcome back everyone. So in this video I used aloe vera, onion oil, castor oil, peppermint oil and hemp seed oil. So here I'm just removing the aloe vera gel. It's the gel we are going to use, not the entire aloe vera plant. So I'm removing the gel from the aloe vera itself. Please get a mature aloe vera plant so that you can be able to get a substantial amount of gel from it. So after removing the gel from the aloe vera plant, you get to grind it. There was no power supply, so I had to use this manual blender which didn't do the work as I wanted. So please get an electric blender and blend it to be smooth. This blender did not blend it to the consistency I want, so when you blend until it becomes smooth. So this is me blending it and trying to get it smooth, but as you can see it did not come out well. But I still used it that way. It will still give you the same result. If you don't have an electric blender, you can just try any means you can use to blend it. The aim is just to get it to its reduced form, so that you can apply it easily on the hair. So I kept on blending and blending and blending and blending, but guys, it did not come out well. But I used it like that. So after blending, you turn it back into a bowl that you will use to mix the other ingredients. So make sure all the contents come out from the bowl, because it can be come out from the cup or from the blender, because it can be slippery. So you can use your hand, you can use anything to bring out all the content from the cup. So after blending and putting inside the cup, the next thing I added was castor oil. So this castor oil, the benefits are so much. I'm going to be linking it up here so you can read the benefits for yourself. I added castor oil. I love adding a substantial amount of castor oil because it's thick and it can help to retain moisture on the hair. Next I added onion oil. I'm supposed to add onion juice, but onion is a bit expensive now, and as I had onion oil in the house, I just thought it wise to use the onion oil instead. If you're using the onion juice, you just have to blend the onion, squeeze out the juice and add. But if you're using onion oil, they both have the same work and the same result. You just pour your onion oil. Here I added up to 30 drops. You add your onion oil and mix. After adding the onion oil, the remaining things are just jara. It's not compulsory you add them. This is peppermint oil. I just added peppermint oil because most of the time my daughter is always itching her scalp, so I just added a little just for it to have a calming and cooling effect on her hair. Then finally I added hemp seed oil. Hemp seed oil helps for hair growth, helps to boost the volume of the hair and all that. I'm going to still link up the benefits of the hemp seed oil just in the screen for you to read up. So I added hemp seed oil. I still added like 20 drops, and that was it. After that, you just mix the whole mixture, make sure everything mixes together and it's ready to be applied in the hair. So here we are at the salon now. I'm applying the mixture on her hair. I sectioned her hair into 4 sections, and from the 4th section I still sectioned it small, and I applied it directly on her scalp, as you can see. So after applying it, walk it through the hair, make sure all the mixtures go into her hair. take your time and massage every bit of the mixture into the scalp and walk it through to the hair. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm massaging it. While rubbing it, you massage it in a circular motion. Keep massaging it so that there will be blood circulation and blood flow on her scalp. That's going to help the products get into the hair. So I kept on massaging it. She wasn't having it, but I was still doing that, massaging it slowly until everything got into the hair. After that, so guys, because I didn't blend it properly, the gel was falling on her body, so I had to get a towel to wrap her with, and I continued working the mixture into her hair for it to sit properly. So at this point, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? All this information for free. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell just beside the subscribe button, so that each time I post a new video you will be notified. Subscription is free. Please just subscribe. Do it for me, please. At this point, we're done with the hair, so I just covered with the plastic cloth so that her hair is going to sit. Cover it for up to 45 minutes if she can stay, and if she can't stay, 30 minutes max is enough. We are covering it so that the heat from her hair will touch all the products and to make it to sit in the hair properly. So here I'm washing her hair. This is a shampoo I use for her hair, because this shampoo washes her hair out very well. So this is the shampoo I use for her hair. So while washing the hair, we took time to remove the remaining gel that was on her hair. Normally, if you blend it properly, these gels will not be there. So we just washed the hair with the shampoo, washed it twice, and after washing, we now used a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner. So this is where we are washing the hair to make it clean and free from all the gels that was on the hair. Next, we added conditioner to wash the hair. Her conditioner, we normally use Cantu conditioner for her hair. So this Cantu conditioner, you wash it out, unlike the other one that is leave-in. This one I normally use it for her hair so that her hair can be soft. I love this Cantu conditioner for kids in particular. I think I showed where I used the conditioner for her hair the last time, or where we bought the conditioner for the hair. So this is me using the conditioner for her hair, making it soft. You're going to see how she walked it through her hair, making her hair soft. Washing the hair, you towel dry it and still leave it wet. If you don't want to towel dry the hair, you can just leave it to dry out on its own. No blow drying, no heat treatment of any sort. Just leave the hair to dry out on its own. After that, we rub this leave-in conditioner. It's also from Cantu. This leave-in conditioner is so good on her hair, so I always take it along with me to the salon to rub it on her hair so that her hair doesn't dry out and it still retains its moisture. So after working it through, I always apply a generous amount on her hair. Are you seeing how full her hair is? Yes, so I always apply a generous amount of the leave-in conditioner on her hair so that it can go around her hair. Then after doing that, you can go ahead to plait the hair. This works all the time. This is what I've been using for her since she's 6 months. She was 6 months old, and this is how full her hair has grown. Your hair can grow out in 7 days by just using this, trust me. So after rubbing the leave-in conditioner, I still go ahead to rub the castor oil just for extra volume of, on the hair. Then we start making the hair. You see how beautiful this comes out. So yes, we are done making the hair, and see how beautiful it is. So I still go ahead, yes yes, I have that extra. I still go ahead to add onion oil to the sections of her hair, just for more moisture, more shine and all that. So I just add extra, just a little into the hair, and voila, this is how beautiful it turns out to be. So now the hair is ready, the hair is beautiful. Thank you guys for sticking through till the end. Thank you guys for all your support in this channel. Thank you guys for all you do. Please don't leave without subscribing. Please do this for me. Don't leave without subscribing to this channel and turning on the post notification bell so that you can get notified each time I post a new video. Bye guys. Mwah!